Let's move on to Bitcoin. So it's finally given this very, very important upside breakout of the sideways range that has been in for the last 3 months. So these lines 2 and 3 resistance broke both of them there, which is a good sign. Right now it's consolidating around its flat 200-day moving average, so it might just hang around here a little bit longer. There are other resistance levels here. There's a Fibonacci resistance and the other resistance levels as well in this area where it's in. It is trading up at the moment. It's at, this is right now live, 46,340 at 20 past 7 Wednesday night. So it's holding up quite nicely at the moment, but it is overbought, so it could continue going sideways a bit longer or even pull back to line 3. If it does, there would be a second chance to buy if you didn't buy the breakout. The strategy is a hold. It can still be bought. I think you could still buy at the current price, knowing that there might be a minor pullback here, as long as you're okay with that. Or if you are in it right now, if it does pull back and start moving up from this support level, which is about 42,500, I think the levels are all there, 42,750, there would be a chance to add to your holdings. So the minimum target is 55,800 based on the height of the channel with a pretty conservative measurement of it. That would be the minimum target. There might be some resistance at 50,000, which besides being a round number, there are other resistance areas at $50,000. You might want to lock in a little bit of short-term trading profits there. But if we see follow through here, which it's looking like we're going to either after a pullback or after a bit more sideways price action, this move should set up a rally to retest its all-time high. I think that's about 65,000 and potential thereafter to 74,000, which is the target I have after that. So it's looking good for Bitcoin right now. Of course, this run, we'll have to see how it unfolds, but if it does go to 74,000, maybe even at a stretch $100,000, but certainly 74 looks doable. That's going to come before a massive, massive collapse in Bitcoin. So don't get too comfortable long term here, because if this rally does get up to that 74,000 level, great caution is going to be necessary on Bitcoin, and I would be looking to take profits on all Bitcoin holdings. That's me personally, but obviously there's plenty of time before then, and we'll have plenty of updates as events unfold. But right now it's looking good. Broken out of this channel, minimum target 55,800. Looking very nice. I've said the stop is a close below $42,000, which is roughly around about, it's actually just below line 2. So roughly over there, just below the support zone. That's where the stop loss would be for now. And of course, no matter how bullish anyone is, including myself or you or anyone else, one always has to have a stop, because even the most bullish looking charts can sometimes not work out. So a stop loss is a non-negotiable. One always has to have that. So that's Bitcoin looking very nice.